pressure was, I don't even remember the numbers. I'll show you guys on the paper when they print it out. Because they always show you, so, yeah.
Hi guys, how are you doing today? My name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for Dirk because my kidneys are a pair of dirks. And this is a pink fairy Egyketu Harum, which is 123 in Hungarian for my 0.1 Hungarian viewers. But the reason why I started with that is because of this. Guys, as a daughter of a Hungarian immigrant, to call this goulash is blasphemy. Now, maybe this is American goulash. All right, fine. Goulash to me is like a tender beef cooked in a rich gravy with paprika. You got some carrots. It's like a rich, comforting, warm stew. Maybe you have some dumplings with it. Maybe you have some nokedli with it. But this, my mama would be rolling in her grave. But this is what Pink Fairy calls goulash. But we are going to get into the medical side of this video. By the way, that's just a carb on carb crime that she has there. Sorry, carbs on carbs on carbs. So this video was actually called Broke My Chair / Dinner / Smoke from Wildfire. Now, at that beginning clip, she said she was going to show us the paper that had her blood pressure numbers on it, as well as her weight, I assume. Spoiler alert, she doesn't show us the picture, but she comes up with a blood pressure number that is hard to believe. Let me just tell you that. So a lot of talking about blood pressure. So deep breath in, deep breath out. Let's get into this. Before I do, you know the drillio, hit the like button, hit subscribe if you're new. Appreciate you, all of you subscribers, as well as if you want to join the channel, I have memberships if you want to support me that way. So let's get into this.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so when I was at the doctor yesterday, I didn't talk much about it. And everybody's kind of mad because I didn't show my paper.
You still don't show your paper.
I got it right here. Because I talked about my blood pressure. It's 105/73. So yeah, according to their scales, that's 318.
105/73 is the blood pressure of a 25-year-old peak athlete. I am sorry. I need to see that number. You're telling me a supposed 45-year-old morbidly obese type 2 diabetic with high cholesterol, pretty much not moving a lot in her day-to-day activities, has a blood pressure of 105/73. That is better than optimal. That is amazing. That's almost low. Low is considered usually anything under 90, or if you're symptomatic. So meaning you can have a blood pressure of 100, and if you're dizzy, sort of out of it, that would be considered hypotensive. Now, let me also put this into context. After dialysis, most patients are not allowed to leave unless their blood pressure is at least 100 over something, because they don't want us passing out. Pink, I never ask this. Really need to see that paper, because that blood pressure, if it is 105/73, chef's kiss. That is amazing. You are a medical marvel, my girl. Medical marvel. Now, the reason why diabetics usually can have high blood pressure is because diabetes ruins damages the small blood vessels, which make them stiff, and that actually increases the pressure. But let's listen to her talk about her weight.
And I've lost 9 pounds, according to their scales. Which theirs is always off from mine. Yes. And I talked about to her about doing a fast and stuff like that. And the nutritionist gave me a bunch of papers how to do servings from using your hands and stuff like that. She's got a big old chart in there, a big old poster board about doing fast. 16 and 18. 16 and 18. I was 16 and 8. So that's what I'm doing now. I mean, for the first time in me.
So she's talking about 24 hours in a day. You fast for 16 and you have your 8-hour window where you can eat. Especially being diabetic, that does not mean eat whatever you want, but that's just your window of eating.
Pick a little sandwich and a serving size of chips. I have Doritos and drink the Diet Coke. So, because I wasn't sure if you have diabetes, if doing a fast is good. And she says, oh, it's excellent for you, buddy. And I also talked to her about drinking the lemon water, because someone told me you shouldn't drink lemon water every day. Yeah, you can. She said, especially with no sugar and the fresh lemon, which that's what I'm using. Or she said, which someone else mentioned this, about getting the little containers of freshly, just natural juice and putting it in, like my pocketbook, and you put it in your water, stuff like that. And like I told her, it's helping me not drink so much pop. So I kind of been doing fasting. Anyways, but yeah, there's all kinds of things. She even gave me a few meal ideas.
Has she been doing fasting, or is that just what she calls sleeping?
How much carbs I can eat, and all this. I like this hand thing here. And this is approved from the Ohio State University. So, I think it's pretty cool. And it's even a website here. I could probably go and get more info, she said. Lots more info. So, all kinds of snack ideas. Just all kinds of things. So, let me show you guys the hand thing. I think it's really good. See on this?
No one wants to see the freaking hand thing. We want to see where it says your weight and your blood pressure. We're still, I guess, waiting on the A1C results. I'm guessing we won't hear about that until next week, because it's a long weekend. You have the 4th of July. If you can show this, you can show other things. Guys, if you want, I'll show my weight. Like, I've done, I did the 100 days weigh-in, like with Amber Lynn. I did it for as long as she did. I show my blood pressure. I can show it again. I show my blood pressure when it's higher. It's definitely been higher this week because I've been stressed. But, oh my gosh. If you could show this, show your other stuff.
I think that's really cool. Teaspoon for your tip. Tablespoon for your, it's the thumb right there. 2 tablespoons. All of this. Half, a cup, an ounce. Hey, I think that's really cool. 1/4 to use that, Like she said, if you're out and about, you're eating, you don't have measuring cups with you. This is a whole lot easier to learn. So we'll throw all this in my pocketbook.
So if you're at the Olive Garden, you just, excuse me, let me put my hand in this fettuccine Alfredo to get a good measurement. And you can fit a cupcake in that palm of your hand. I'm pretty sure that's what she's taking from it.
There's all kinds of information here. All kinds, see? Starchies, fruits that I can have, the servings, all kinds of things. But she was really happy I lost 9 pounds. But I need to check my scale too. It might need a new battery. See, here's all these ones I can eat. Non-starchy vegetable groups. 1 serving equals 5 grams of carbs. With all these ones here. And yeah, it's got tomatoes on there. It's even got carrots. And I thought carrots was kind of not right. But yeah, I thought they were kind of like a sweet. So, but no, they're not. But I'm not really too big on carrots. I like some carrots, but not, all. So yeah, there's all kinds.
Where are the donut servings? Where are the cookie servings? Where is the cake servings? Where are the hamburger servings, the pizza servings?
Of info on here. See, here's something like the meals you can have. Like I said, if you do it in servings, it's okay.
Anyways, guys, oh, that's it. Her eating her goulash, which is an atrocity, not goulash. Yeah, so excellent blood pressure if it's true. I would really love to see that paper pinky. Please show it. Cause your girl, I don't know. I don't believe you. Let me know what you guys think down below. Like, I normally don't ask to see proof, but that is just phenomenal. Like, phenomenal blood pressure. And yeah, still waiting on the A1C, see what that says. Thanks everyone, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.